the door.
Let me talk to my husband.
Do not push him.
Don't push me.
I'm pushing you. Get out.
Stop playing games. Get out of the car.
Evil. Get the f away.
The 24th of March 2025, Rochester, New York Federal Immigration Enforcement Operation by Homeland Security Investigations, HSI. Primary target, Wilson Galvin Lopez, 25, previously deported, May 2023, confirmed illegal re-entry. Father and brother found in the same vehicle. The operation expanded on scene, triggering a cascade of legal questions involving federal authority, sanctuary, city policy, use of force and obstruction law.
Hey, who is this to you, miss?
This is my husband.
All right, can you just... Oh, no, listen. We just came here to assist, obviously. We had nothing to do with this.
Big ass thing. We got our rights, please.
Yes, go on.
Please just go.
Hold on a second. We're called here because of this government thing.
Yeah, but
So
they're not criminals.
I know, no one's saying... I'm just here to help.
He did shut it off, though. He was revving the engine for a while.
Come on, man. I'm gonna break the window if you don't. You just get out so I don't have to break the window.
The issue is, it sounds like they need him to come out of the car. And him closing the door and doing all this...
Take him to Batavia.
Okay. But now you're going to have a lot of officers on scene because they asked us to come 77, which means lights and sirens. So look at all these cars now coming.
You gotta come out. Both of you. You have to step out of the vehicle.
All he has to do is get out of the vehicle. Either way, in the end, he's going to have to come out. I would rather do it without force.
Criminals, please. We are right.
They've decided that whatever their situation is, that he needs to get out of the vehicle, and they're going to take him to wherever they got to go. Him doing what he's doing is just causing a big scene and causing a lot worse.
Bro, just come on. Let's go. You got a window punch? Someone?
You got one? Oh, I got him. I got him.
I'm gonna break it. Get out. Just hop out, man. No, hop out.
So here's what's going to happen. If he doesn't get out of the car, we're going to break the window and drag him out. No one wants to do that.
I don't have any money for
Just watch these guys.
evil.
Damn.
Evil mother. Evil.
All right, but
Get the f away.
so that may make you upset, and I understand.
Evil
Well, here's
people.
the issue. Whatever their situation is,
Everything.
they're going to ask him to come out of the vehicle.
Working.
Instead of yelling
They
at him,
don't bother nobody.
He's gotta hop out. Why? Because I said so. He's okay. Just get out. It's no big deal. He's okay. He's okay. You're all right. Get out. He's not going anywhere. Tell him to open the door back there. Open the door.
And I'm criminal.
open the door.
Like they got fucking
Open the door
drugs
now.
and shit. Let me talk to my husband.
Do not push him.
Don't push me.
I'm pushing you.
I
You do not
just
touch my
got in
officers.
there.
You understand me?
Don't you
Do not
cannot
touch my
hit me.
officers.
I'm a woman.
I don't care.
You can't touch
I don't
me.
care. I just did. Cut it out.
Fucking, I'm nothing.
At your age. Let them pull him out. Back up, please. Back up, please. Back up, please.
Why are you pushing me
We're
off?
not pushing you.
Open the door now.
Let me talk to my husband.
Get out of the car now. Get out. Stop playing games. Get out of the car. Your hands behind your back.
No pele.
What are you doing? Over there.
What you want to do?
Want me to put handcuffs? Get back. Just please get back.
Porque me hacen miedo.
Get back there. Get back there.
Tranquilo.
No, we're doing good.
Stop. Put it down.
Nope, you don't got his wrist. You got to stop.
Open it.
Hey. Relax.
Available Spanish speaking officer to Lyle Avenue and Medina.
Nope.
You want to do?
Want me put handcuffs? Get back. I'll let you talk to your wife.
Stay back.
Can I grab the keys?
In just a minute. I swear if you push one of us one more time, you're hitting the ground.
I need the keys.
Then back up and we'll give them to you. You're not following instructions. How many cops have to tell you to back up?
Yes? Back there. Move. Move.
Go ahead, I got it.
Do you need to go in cuffs? Move. Back. Thank you. You can film, but do it over here. When I say back up, that doesn't mean step forward, right? Right? All right, back up. Back up and keep creeping forward. I want you to back up.
Can I
You'll get it when you're done. When we're done, you can get it. Okay, now you can back up. Back up. You will get his stuff.
Are you not understanding?
Right.
I am understanding.
Okay, so you're just blatantly not listening to the police, right? Is that how this works? You're gonna go in handcuffs. Keep it up, and then you won't get any of the stuff. It can all get turned in. Your choice.
Money. All right.
All right, back up. Back up.
Hey, hand down.
Are there more in there? Or you guys got everybody?
Yeah, I think there's. Is that how this works?
Bam.
I want to ask you.
You can in a second. Just get back. How many? You only get so many chances. We will detain you. If there's a charge, we're doing an investigation right now. There's a charge for this, all right? So just stop interfering.
What charge?
It's called OGA. Obstruction of Governmental Administration. We're doing an investigation right now, and you're obstructing it. So just stop.
Anything about the
We gotta get the rest of the guys out of the car.
11 D right on 130.
¿Cómo I'm gonna do all? ¿Cómo yo voy a llevar la guagua? ¿Qué me va a ayudar a llevar la guagua? Cuando yo no te voy a poder ver nunca.
It's right there.
You don't even know my number like that.
Newly a federal authority and arrest warrant. 8 U.S.C. section 1326 illegal re-entry after removal carries up to 2 years imprisonment, up to 10 years if a prior conviction preceded deportation. 8 U.S.C. section 1357, a 2 administrative arrest authority. HSI officers may arrest without a judicial warrant upon reasonable belief that the individual is unlawfully present and may evade apprehension before a warrant can be obtained. This authority is broader than local police arrest powers. No judge's signature is required. The operation was lawful from initiation. Discovery of undocumented father and brother in the same vehicle lawfully expanded the scope of detention under section 1357. No separate warrant required. Vehicle extraction, use of force, Inkle, Pennsylvania v. Mimms, 1977, plus Maryland v. Wilson, 1997. Officers conducting a lawful stop may order all occupants out of a vehicle as a matter of course. Compliance is not discretionary. Refusal does not negate lawful authority. It justifies escalation in the use of force continuum. Graham v. Connor, 1989, 3-factor reasonableness, test 1 severity of offense, 2 immediate threat, 3 active resistance or flight. Reasonableness is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene, not with the benefit of hindsight. Engine revving equals documented flight indicator. Illinois v. Wardlow, 2000 evasive behavior upon law enforcement contact contributes to reasonable suspicion. By analogy, barricading compounds it. Window punch plus physical extraction equals hard empty hand control under the standard use of force continuum, legally appropriate after exhausted verbal commands. Sanctuary City Policy RPD, liability. City T2. Rochester General Order 335 prohibits RPD officers from assisting federal agencies in civil immigration enforcement absent a judicial warrant. HSI holds independent federal authority. Local assistance is not legally required. The legal question does, responding to a Code 7 from HSI constitute prohibited assistance, critical distinction, initiating immigration enforcement versus assisting, an ongoing operation. General Order 335 covers both. The mayor's disciplinary action confirms this interpretation. Lesson Sanctuary City Policy does not override federal law, but local officers are not obligated to respond to federal immigration calls. TAM, bystander, interference, OGA. And First Amendment, TAM. NY Penal Law Section 195.05, Obstruction of Governmental Administration, OGA, intentional physical interference with a public servant performing an official function. Elements met physical contact with agents, refusal of repeated lawful commands, active interference during extraction, a Class A misdemeanor under New York law. No charges filed consistent with prosecutorial discretion, not a legal determination that elements were absent. First Amendment boundary, Glick vs. Cunniff vs. 2011. Fields vs. City of Philadelphia, 3D Sir, 2017. Bystanders retain the clearly established right to observe and record law enforcement activity in public spaces. Step back, orders must be safety-driven, not suppressive.
Hey, dear. Dear, you're just gonna have to move your car real quick.
Friend who's involved in this, like my nephew.
Your what?
My nephew is here.
Okay, can you just...
I just wanted to talk. Oh, where do you want me to put my car?
Oh, you just gotta park like on the road or in the parking lot or something, okay?
Yeah.
Get in the car. Get in the car. You're gonna get in the car. And follow them. Get in the car.
Well, you can't follow them. It's an emergency vehicle. We're gonna stop you then.
Chill out. Mom, get in the car and follow them.
You can't follow them.
I will follow you, and I don't care if I get a charge. Maria.
Oh, okay, then come here.
No.
Come here.
No.
What's your ID? I need your ID then.
I don't have an ID on me. Stop.
I'm not doing this, okay?
I don't care. I don't care. I don't care what you're doing and what you're not doing.
Are they all in that?
Yes, they are all in that car. I saw his dad in that car and my brother.
Maria, I need you to be quiet.
You want to give me a second? They're going to go to the Batavia Federal Detention Facility. It's a processing detention facility. You're not going to be allowed in there. There's going to be a kiosk. You can't get past a certain point. You understand? There'll be visitation and stuff like that.
Good for you. I don't care. That doesn't mean I can't follow them. I will sit in the parking lot.
I'm telling you where to go.
Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah, just go to the They're going there right now, so you can just go
telling you
there.
where they're going to be.
Thank you.
Her mom's key from the G.
Yes, this is my key.
Yeah,
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Do you know them? Or you guys
No, it's okay. They just took them to the Batavia.
Yeah, they're gonna go to Batavia. This is all
right
the...
here right now. Though.
What's that?
Is Willie
Okay,
right
where
here?
are the ICE officers? Because I want to know the process
No,
of what
I already
happened.
know. They.
No, I want to know the
Somebody
process of
called
what happened.
ICE. We don't know. We'll find out.
Yeah, I mean, this is...
But he's not ICE.
This isn't
Join
anything...
RPD.
Yeah, this is anything
So
through
we
RPD.
don't
We're
know
not...
if the police called or
No,
if someone else
we're not
took
even
off.
allowed to call. We can't
Right.
call, yeah.
That's so beautiful.
So I want to understand.
What do you want to understand?
You can't stop the car. Just get out of the road.
Grace, it doesn't matter once it's already over.
He's ICE, by the way.
Stop pointing.
I know, but I want to know the process. He's a bitch.
Stop it.
Well, so they have their own protocols and stuff that they deal with. I don't know any of that. That's on them.
Due process and removal proceedings. Due process and removal proceedings. Zadviders v. Davis, 2001, the Fifth Amendment Due Process Clause applies to all persons within the United States, regardless of immigration status. 8 CFR. Part 241. All removal proceedings must comply with statutory and regulatory requirements. The right to contest deportation through immigration court remains available post-arrest. Lesson street-level resistance does not preserve any judicial remedy. The correct avenue is immigration court, not barricading inside a vehicle. It's key legal takeaways. Key legal takeaways. Federal Immigration Authority under Section 1357 is self-contained. Local cooperation is not required, and in sanctuary, jurisdictions may be prohibited. OGA charges require intentional physical interference, verbal protest, filming and observation from a reasonable distance are constitutionally protected.